Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the basement bathroom. It's kind of our guest bath. It's not used as often as the one on the main floor, but I'm setting my timer for 13 minutes and I'm going to work on doing some decluttering under this sink in here, which seldom gets used, and ever since we've moved in I've never really organized it, so it's just a jumble of things. But hopefully I can get done in way less than 13 minutes, but I thought that was a good place to start. So I can't figure out a better angle to where you can see what's in here, unless I can move you just a little bit. Okay, there you can kind of see. So basically it's just some cleaning supplies and some random things that I don't know where to go with. So let's see what we can get done in here. So, all right, we've got this cleaning caddy actually would be perfect to use for cleaning supplies. So let's start with that. I think this needs to be recycled, so that's going to go up there. This is empty, so I need to recycle that. This could actually be used possibly in the kitchen. I'm going to see about that. I think this is empty, so that needs to be recycled. So let's relocate. These are all recycle. Alright, so I've got a scrubbing caddy for the shower, if I can figure out how to put it back on, which actually does work pretty well, so that's fine to stay in there. What is this? Cinnamon air freshener. Didn't even know that was down there. We might actually donate that. I don't really like using those chemical air fresheners anymore. Cleaning gloves can go in my cleaning caddy. Alright, so I have a big collection of scrub brushes, which don't know that I need all of them in here. Tell you what, behind me in the kind of storage area part of the basement, I have all of our extra scrubbing and cleaning supplies, extra cleaning products and whatnot. So I'm just going to throw in one in here and one small one. Actually, I think since I have this, I don't need this scrub brush. So these two can go in the overflow, and this old kitchen sponge can go in there. And what else is this? Cleaning dusting mitt can go in there. That can go in the overflow. That's a recycle. And you want to hear a funny story about this? Once when I was shaving my legs in the shower and I was trying to lift my foot up to put it on the wall of the shower, I caught the metal handle of the shower door between my two toes, ripped it apart, and had to get stitches. So this little shoe is left from that. I don't know if I could donate that maybe to Goodwill or something, but we certainly don't need to keep it anymore. So I think it's time to let that go. There's a little trash. All right, and then this is actually something I've been wanting to hang for quite a while now. So just for your bag. So I'm gonna, as soon as I'm done with this, gonna get a screwdriver. I know right where that is, and get that done. There's a little more trash. And aha, this bag we'll just use for recycling. And that can all go in there. And this and this will donate. So I'll put it in there for right now to get rid of. So we've got a plunger left, exciting stuff. The toilet brush, more exciting stuff. This old scrub brush I think I'm going to pitch because it actually is so flat it doesn't work. And I have plenty of scrub brushes. Aha! My diffuser, which I never use these, but I have actually been wondering if I still had it or if I'd gotten rid of it. A very occasional time, once a year, I think about diffusing. So there we go. I've got my diffuser. And that's it. Alright, so now I've got my cleaning caddy, which is actually just with cleaning supplies in it. It won't stand up. That's why that was in there that way. So we'll lay that down. I'm gonna go get my screwdriver to hang that up. And here's my bag of stuff that I decluttered. And that was not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. So how about that? I'm glad to have that task done. Still have 8 minutes left, which is perfect, so I can get a few more things done before I have to go pick up my daughter today. So hopefully that gave you a few minutes to get something decluttered, or work on unloading the dishwasher or something like that, folding a little laundry, cleaning out a desk drawer, whatever it may be. I just wanted to tell you two things. First of all, I forgot to mention at the beginning that day 12 on Sophia's 30-day declutter challenge is supposed to be first aid and medicines and vitamins and things like that. And I did some of our first aid when I did my bathroom, the master bathroom, because I was moving things out of that mirrored cabinet. We just don't have that much to begin with, so I know that that's all in good shape, and we don't really have a first aid kit. It's all just that first aid type supplies that are kept in that cabinet. And then this bathroom space I knew needed to be done, so that's why I decided to do that today. So the second thing I wanted to mention is, or just to show you, is that I got the, can you see it there? I got that installed. So now that just tucks neatly away, and it's right next to where we keep the trash can by the toilet there. So that is done, and then I remembered that I actually just refill my toilet bowl cleaner, so when one is empty, I thought I had a backup and I don't. So at this point now I'm just making my own, which is to fill it up 90% of the way, 95% of the way with vinegar, and then top it off with a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and it does the trick, and it's a lot cheaper. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next decluttering video. Don't forget to subscribe below and leave me a comment if you have any questions, or want to tell me your least favorite decluttering area. I think bathrooms are my least favorite, just because it always seems like it's a lot of stuff I don't know what to do with, but then here, once again, once I get into it, it's really not that bad, and it's done. So thanks again. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.